Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a topic in maths titled differentiation. So basically, I'm going to be treating an aspect of differentiation. Okay, so before I go into that, I want to also make this clear. My initial plan was to release the focus on differentiation. I mean, starting from the introduction, that means the basic of differentiation. But according to the analysis on my channel, I noticed that you guys love questions first, then before I release the focus on differentiation. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be using a question to explain a concept or a subtitle of an aspect in differentiation. Okay. Stay with me to the end. Don't stop watching this video because you are going to learn a lot from this video. Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to be proving that cot of x is equals to what minus that. Okay. So there are some basic things I need you to know if you want to solve this question. First thing, cot of x is equals to what? 1 over tan x. That means is equals to 1 over tan of x. Okay, and you know tan of x is also written as what? Sin x over cos x. Without wasting much time, let's start the calculation of this question. Okay. So now, the method of differentiation I'm going to be using to solve this question is quotient tool. Some of you may be wondering how. Okay, so first of all, I told you that cot x is equals to 1 over tan x, and tan x is equals to what? Sin x over what? Over cos x. Okay, so wherever you see cot x in that differentiation expression, you replace it with what? 1 over tan x first. Then wherever you see tan x in that differentiation of 1 over tan x, you replace it with what? Sin x over cos x. So that will give you what? 1 over sin x over cos x. And that can also be written as what? Cos x over what? Over sin x. So now this quotient tool was derived from a differentiation or a differential expression that is what? U over v. Okay, u is the numerator and v is the denominator of that expression. Okay, so in this case, our u is what? Is cos x, because our expression have changed to what? Cos x over what? Over sin x. Then our v is what? Our v is sin x. Then your du will now be what? Differentiation of what? Of cos x. And if you differentiate cos x, you are going to have what? Minus sin x. And if you differentiate your v with respect to what? X, that will give us what? The v over the x. You are going to have what? Cos x. So you insert all these parameters into the product rule formula, which states that what? V du minus what? U dv over what? Over v square. Okay, so that will give us what? Our v in this case is sin x. So that gives us sin x times minus sin x. Then minus our u in this case is what? Is cos x. That means cos x times our dv is what? Cos x. That means what? Cos x times cos x over what? Over sin square x. So sin x times minus sin x will be what? Minus sin square x. Cos x times cos x is what? Cos square x. So this can be written as what? Minus sin square x minus cos square x over what? Sin square x. Okay, so the next step is what? Is to what? Factorize minus from the numerator. If I factorize minus from the numerator, I'm going to have something like minus open bracket sin square x plus cos square x close bracket over what? Sin square x. Okay, and from the trigonometry identity that state that what? Sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. Then you replace that wherever you see sin square x plus cos square x, and that your answer to what? To 1. Okay, and don't forget that our numerator already changed to what? To sin square x plus cos square x. So that will give us what? Minus 1 over what? Sin square x. And you know that 1 over sin x is what? Is equals to cosec x. Okay, so 1 over sin square x will now be what? Cosec square x. Okay, Don't forget there's a minus at the numerator. So that minus will appear. That means you replace this expression with what? Minus cosec square x. Okay. So thank you for sticking with me to the end of this question. And then there's also something I need to let you know is that if you want me to release the focus of differentiation, that means starting from the beginning of the topic, that means the introduction to the end, please do well to share this video, because once this video enters over 150 view within the next few days, I will be forced to drop it, and over 20 likes and your comments. Please make sure, if you want me to release the full video, also comment, please, and also comment that you want me to release the full video. And please, if you have any question, any recommendation, or any request you want to make, please, you can reach me through the comment section. I'll be available. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.